Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best baking sets are probably one of the most essential additions to any kitchen, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting your culinary journey, offering versatility and durability for all your sweet and savory creations. From delicate pastries to hearty casseroles, a quality baking set can elevate your cooking experience, ensuring even heat distribution and effortless food release, making cleanup a breeze and inspiring you to try new recipes with confidence. Investing in a good set means having the right tools at your fingertips, ready to transform simple ingredients into delicious masterpieces for family and friends. Number 5. NutriChef 8-Piece Nonstick Stackable Bakeware Set. Introducing the NutriChef 8-Piece Bakeware Set, your all-in-one solution for creating delicious baked goods. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to bake for any occasion. Experience hassle-free baking with its superior non-stick coating, ensuring your treats release effortlessly every time. Cleanup is a breeze, as it's dishwasher safe for your convenience. Crafted from durable, BPA-free carbon steel, this set is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can confidently bake everything from cookies to cakes at high temperatures. Designed for modern kitchens, the stackable feature allows for neat and easy storage. It fits perfectly in your oven, making it ideal for any baking enthusiast. This versatile set includes pans for cakes, muffins, loaves, and cookies, enabling you to bake a wide variety of treats. Make bulk batches of your favorite oven-baked goodies with ease. Enjoy professional quality bakeware right in your own kitchen. It's perfect for creating everything from decadent brownies to celebratory birthday cakes. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive 8-piece collection for all your baking needs. Its non-stick coating ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup. If you're looking for a versatile set that can handle everything from cakes to cookies and also offers convenient, space-saving storage, this is a fantastic choice for any home baker. What people say. The baking set is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. The non-stick coating on the baking pans makes cleanup a breeze, preventing food from sticking. The set includes a variety of essential baking pans, such as muffin tins, loaf pans, and cookie sheets, catering to diverse baking needs. Number 4. NutriChef 10-Piece Nonstick Baking Set. Introducing the NutriChef 10-Piece Nonstick Baking Set. It includes everything you need for all your baking adventures, from cookies to cakes and more. Experience the magic of our premium non-stick surface. Food slides right out, making cleanup a breeze and baking more enjoyable. Bake with confidence knowing this set is made without harmful chemicals like PFOA or PTFE. It's oven safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit for all your culinary creations. Enjoy consistently perfect results thanks to its durable carbon steel construction. It ensures even heat distribution, so your baked goods rise beautifully every time. This versatile set is designed for modern kitchens. The stackable pans save valuable cabinet space, offering endless possibilities for baking, roasting, and entertaining. Looking for a practical gift? This baking set is ideal for housewarmings, weddings, and holidays, making it a cherished addition to any kitchen. What we like? With a complete 10-piece collection, this set is perfect for both daily baking and special occasions. The heavy-duty carbon steel construction ensures durability and even heat distribution for consistent results. If you're a baker who values reliability, even baking, and a wide variety of pan types for all your culinary creations, this set is designed for you. What people say. The baking set is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. The non-stick coating on the baking pans makes cleanup a breeze, preventing food from sticking. This set includes a variety of essential baking tools, such as measuring cups, spoons, and spatulas, making it a comprehensive starter kit. Number 3. Baketivity 31-Piece Kids Baking Tool Set. Introducing a comprehensive 31-piece baking set designed for young chefs. It includes everything they need, like whisks, spatulas, and measuring cups, all perfectly sized for safe and confident use with real food. Crafted with BPA-free, food-grade materials, these tools feature smooth edges and easy grip handles for little hands. A special nylon knife allows them to safely practice slicing soft foods, teaching valuable kitchen skills. These sturdy, reusable utensils are made for everyday kitchen adventures and are completely dishwasher safe. This means less cleanup for parents and more time for endless baking fun. Designed for children aged 4 to 10, this set encourages the practice of essential baking steps. It helps foster independence and sparks creativity in the kitchen as they learn to measure, mix, and decorate. With vibrant colors and cheerful packaging, this set makes an unforgettable gift. It's ideal for birthdays or holidays, keeping kids engaged, learning, and proudly creating their own delicious masterpieces. What we like. This is a fantastic 31-piece set designed specifically for young aspiring chefs. It includes real, child-sized cooking utensils that are safe and easy to use. If you're looking for a gift that will spark creativity, build confidence, and provide hours of fun in the kitchen for children aged 4 to 10, this set is an absolute winner. What people say. The baking set is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. The non-stick coating on the baking pans makes cleanup a breeze, preventing food from sticking. The set includes a variety of essential baking pans, such as cookie sheets, muffin tins, and cake pans, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Number 2. BAVIFY Sourdough Starter Kit. Embark on your bread baking adventure with our all-inclusive sourdough starter kit. It provides every tool you need for effortless artisan bread creation, from start to finish. Crafted from 100% natural Indonesian rattan, our proofing baskets are free from dyes and chemicals. Experience premium quality that enhances your baking with confidence. Enjoy the simplicity of proofing with our convenient baskets. Cleanup is a breeze, ensuring a tidy kitchen. Achieve perfect texture and a crispy crust effortlessly. This comprehensive kit includes round and oval proofing baskets, liners, a dough whisk, scraper, scoring tool, and more. You'll have all the essentials for perfect bread. Ideal for any bread baking enthusiast, this kit makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Bring the joy of freshly baked bread into your home to share with loved ones. Say goodbye to uneven dough and hello to professional-looking loaves. Our kit empowers you to bake like a seasoned pro with consistent, beautiful results every time. What we like. This is an all-in-one kit designed to simplify your sourdough journey. It features natural rattan proofing baskets for authentic results and is beginner-friendly. If you're eager to dive into artisan bread making and want a comprehensive set with all the essential tools to achieve a perfect crust and texture, this kit is your ideal starting point. What people say. The baking set is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. The non-stick coating on the pans makes cleanup a breeze, and the food releases easily without sticking. The set includes a variety of essential baking pans, such as muffin tins, loaf pans, and cookie sheets, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Number 1. Country Kitchen 10PC Non-Stick Stackable Bakeware Set. Introducing our innovative bakeware set, designed to maximize your kitchen space. These pieces stack neatly, keeping your cabinets organized and clutter-free. Enjoy baking without the worry of sticking. Its superior non-stick surface ensures your creations release perfectly every time, making cleanup simple. Bake with confidence thanks to the comfortable silicone handles. They provide a secure grip, allowing for safe and easy handling when moving from oven to counter. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for all your baking adventures. From cookies to cakes, it covers all your essential baking needs. Perfect for bakers with limited storage, this nesting bakeware set fits together beautifully. It's the smart solution for enjoying baking without sacrificing space. What we like. This 10-piece bakeware set is designed with space efficiency in mind, perfect for smaller kitchens. Its non-stick surface and durable construction make baking and cleanup a breeze, while the silicone handles ensure safety. If you need a practical, space-saving baking solution that prioritizes ease of use and safety, this nesting set is an excellent choice. What people say. This baking set is incredibly versatile, allowing for a wide range of baking projects from cookies to cakes. The non-stick coating on the bakeware ensures easy release of baked goods and simplifies the cleaning process. The included measuring cups and spoons are accurate and durable, making them a reliable addition to any kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.